Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we have yet another sneak peek of a brand new product by Pride Mobility that's coming out very soon. It's known as the PX4. It's one of a few different heavy duty models coming out by Pride Mobility, expected to be released in Q3 of 2023. We're going to go over this video, talk about the specifications that are unofficial. They're not finalized yet. We're going to go over some footage showing you what it's like to ride it, talk about some of the things that make it unique, and remember we have tons of other videos showing all the new models that are coming out soon. We had the ability to get sneak peek early access to all of their products, so if you're not already subscribed and you want to check out some of these new models like the Pride Pursuit that we're just showing you really quickly here, we just made a video on that one, go to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have tons of videos, including review videos of all these new products. And by the way, if you do subscribe, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and you could be the next lucky winner. Everybody that subscribes is automatically entered into our monthly giveaway, so hit that subscribe button. You could be the next lucky winner. I also want to say that if you want a copy of our free product catalog, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out that simple short form, and you'll get one in your mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The PX4 is going to be one of the 500-pound weight capacity scooters soon to be released. Again, not available yet. We went to the Pride Mobility booth at the MedTrade Conference 2023 in Dallas, Texas. Here's a snapshot of the brochure that they had on display. It's talking about the 500-pound weight capacity, 9-mile-per-hour top speed, and a maximum travel range of about 25 miles. Now, what's really unique about this product is that it has a steering wheel. It doesn't have handlebars. It has one of the brightest LED headlights we've ever seen. I mean, even in the show where there's tons of artificial lighting, you could see the path lit up in front of you, which we'll get into in a little bit as we go through the ride-alongs. It has mirrors that come attached to the base. Because of the steering wheel, you can't really mount the mirrors to the handlebars like you normally do. It also has 2 accessory ports, so you can add 2 accessories in the back, and you have that front basket, which is extra large as well. You've got a USB charging port underneath that little cover there, and a lever to adjust the tilting angle of the handlebar or steering assembly, which is nice. So lots of awesome features. I mean, this thing is just built tough. You can even extend the foot deck. That's one of the unique features. It has an extendable foot deck, a rear bumper, automatic brakes, full suspension on the front and the rear. Like I said, an awesome lighting kit, and overall it just looks really sporty. It's got a super modern design, premium captain seat with white stitching, a bright LED intelligent display, and again, that steering wheel setup. It does have the Delta tiller with the option to get like a Tiptronic style throttle system as well. That's not something we were able to see just yet, but we were told, rumor has it, that you can get options on the steering and throttle systems, which is going to be nice. Check out those really large tires. This is going to be ideal for going off-road and outdoors. You've got flip-up armrest, a headrest with adjustable and height-adjustable armrest, by the way. The seat does slide forward and back, and it has a rotation lever, so you've got tons of comfort options. And what we're going to do now is take it for a little spin, talk about the dash. So it's got a really unique-looking dash. Typical speed control knob, really bright illuminated display. Not sure if it's LED or LCD, but it does have the temperature, the miles per hour, the odometer. It has what looks like a little gear icon that might allow you to go in there as a technician and get some diagnostic codes, which is pretty nice. And overall, I mean, you could tell that they're striving to make their dashes a little bit more rain resistant. All the buttons now seem to have better seals and gaskets around them. They even have like these clear covers over all the buttons. So it's showing that they're really looking to move towards outdoor rain-resistant products. You do have a brake system on the front, a brake lever on the front of the steering wheel there, and your typical Delta tiller, so you can control the forward and reverse with one hand. The speed control is right in the middle, and we're going to take you for a little ride now. So you can see Dustin's taking us on a ride using one hand on the Delta throttle system. As soon as you let go of the throttle, the unit stops. It has automatic brakes, so you don't need to worry about hitting the brake lever unless you need to. if you're going really fast and you want to stop really short, you can use the assistive brake lever on the front of the steering wheel, but it's not necessary unless you have to. So as you can see here, Andrew's riding it. He's a big guy, about 6'2", 215 pounds. He's very comfortable in it. And again, you can extend the foot plate. So there's going to be an option that the entire thing's pretty modular. And if you want to learn more about it, please give us a call. Visit our showroom store. It's not out yet, but you can call our non-commissioned sales experts. They'd love to hear from you. They're not aggressive. They just want to recommend a product that's great for you. We have tons of happy customers with a really positive overall rating on all the major platforms. So if you do come by our stores, we have tons of products, and you'll be greeted by friendly sales staff. We hope to earn your business. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to our channel. Once we get this product in our showroom, we're going to make an in-depth review video. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. We reply to every single comment on all of our YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Until next time, have a great day.